for the first time ever, we're celebrating an exclusive world premiere here in Korea. It's part of the biggest launch program in the history of our company. And let's be clear, this is not just any car. It's a personal favorite of mine. Tonight, we're welcoming the next and newest member of the Mercedes-Benz family, the all-new electric C-Class. For more than 40 years, the C-Class has been the benchmark in the mid-size segment, setting the standards for athletic elegance, comfort, and dynamic driving. And it all started with the iconic Baby Benz. This model opened Mercedes-Benz to a new generation of customers, making the brand more accessible without compromising its core values. And with every new generation, we've raised the bar. Every iteration moved the segment forward and delivered what customers love about Mercedes: quality, safety, and design. My first company car was a C-Class, a blue C280. And oh man, was I proud. I still remember getting the keys and thinking, you're one lucky guy to be driving a car like this. And I know that I'm not the only one who's fond of the C-Class. Then and now, people have loved this car. Here in Korea, one of our most important markets, the C-Class is a customer favorite. It's a bestseller. And tonight, the success story continues. The C-Class enters its most powerful and advanced chapter yet. We're presenting 140 years of innovation and engineering excellence in the most complete package in its segment. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the most spacious and most dynamic C-Class ever.
Bravo, 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 bravo. What a show. Seems like the new C-Class is not the only star here tonight. Well, good to know. And good to see Somi just on time. Thank you so much for joining us today. Woo, Somi, Somi, Somi. What a show, what a show. Hey, good evening, gentlemen. Welcome to Korea. And this is On the House. And let me take a guess. You guys are from Mercedes, aren't you?
Yeah, that's correct.
That means I can ask you a bunch of questions about that car.
But let me ask some questions to you first.
Yes.
And let's start with the most important one. What do you think of this car?
That car is impressive. I mean, I'm already falling in love with that car. It's completely different. Well, you know what? I've always loved Benz. You know, Mercedes-Benz has always been my brand. It's such an iconic brand. But just one thing, I've only ever driven cars in combustion engines. And this time I'm realizing that is electric.
Absolutely right. This is our all-new electric C-Class. So 140 years ago, Mercedes invented the automobile. And this C-Class carries forward a legacy of engineering excellence and superior craftsmanship, creating this unique welcome home feeling which makes our brand so special. I would say it's the best C-Class ever, a class of its own.
I see.
And Matthias, I completely agree, but let me add one thing. The fully electric C-Class has a range of up to 800 kilometers on a single charge.
Wow.
And we've really worked very, very hard to achieve that. And this is valid also for recharging. Thanks to the 800-volt system, we can recharge 325 kilometers in just 10 minutes.
Whoa, hold up. Did you just say 10 minutes?
Yes.
That is awesome. I mean, I would love to see what sets this car apart regarding the design then.
Yeah, then I think we should move over and let's look at it. Come on.
May I join?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Okay. Ooh.
I mean, does it look fantastic?
It does.
Look at these proportions, you know? This confident front grille, giving it this strong presence. The sporty silhouette, it's kind of coupe-like. And this powerful rear. This is a real Mercedes.
I mean, I can't agree more. I mean, the silhouette, the aggressiveness, that looks beautiful. But especially, I just can't take my eyes off that grille. Look at that grille. I mean, it lights up, right?
Yeah, literally, spot on. So basically, this is our iconic grille. And it features hundreds and hundreds of these tiny little LEDs, which welcome you animated when you get close to the car. And of course, even the star is illuminated.
Ooh, I mean, that is stunning. Especially here, under the neon lights of City of Seoul, it makes it just beautiful. Well, now I think I'm ready to see what's inside of that beautiful vehicle.
Okay, that's what we're doing. Come along. I want to show you something really amazing.
Ooh, look what we got here. Wow, look at that screen. That screen is crazy. I mean, I can already see myself just driving along, listening to my favorite music with it. Wow.
Yeah, we call it hyperscreen. So it's almost 1 meter from end to end. And it's designed like it's super intuitive, and the customers get immediately familiar with that. And you can use your apps and map-based navigation.
Wow. I mean, I think that really comes across. I mean, just love the screen, so clear, so big. The graphics are incredible as well.
Yeah.
And that is that, you know, it makes this interior come to life. I mean, look at this car, look at this vehicle. The grille, the silhouette. Ooh, I mean, it's just mind-blowing. So, are there any other elements create the sense of familiarity?
Yeah, absolutely. The C-Class brings together the digital and the physical world to create this deeply personal experience. It's basically our way of saying, welcome home.
Welcome home.
Right? So on the physical side, it has a complete new level of individualization. It creates a personal space with exceptional craftsmanship, refined materials, and carefully chosen colors. But on the digital side, we have a perfect match. Because it's not only, as you said, a hyperscreen. It's not just a big screen to display something. It truly connects with you. To make sure you become, the C-Class basically becomes your very own sanctuary. And you can even add personal photos, different wallpapers, or individual lighting effects to make it your home.
Wow. That is just mind-blowing. That sounds fantastic. I mean, talking about the digital side, you know what we Koreans are crazy about? We love AI, artificial intelligence. So I just want to know, I mean, the only thing is we just can't get enough of it. Does the C-Class use AI as well?
Sure, 100%. And we have integrated that in our Mercedes-Benz operating system, MBOS. And we have on top a system we call MB Drive that uses AI to drive you from point to point, place to place, even in heavy rush hour traffic, like you have it in Seoul.
Yes.
Yes. And we use AI also for our voice assistant. So you can talk to the car, ask questions in a very natural way.
Oh.
And if it comes to maps,
Yes.
we are very, very flexible. We can use Tmap,
We use Tmap in Korea.
And Google Maps, for example, in other places.
Wow. I mean, what else do we have? I mean, this is just a silly question. This C-Class is powerful as well, right?
Yeah, it's powerful. We are launching the most powerful version first, and that's got 360 kilowatt. And with this 360 kilowatt, it accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 4 seconds.
4 seconds.
4 seconds.
I mean, do you have a contract? I just want to sign it right now. I need one of these right now today because, telling you the truth, I'm actually having my 3rd child born tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Oh my
It is.
God.
It is real. It is coming soon. So I just want to know just one last simple question. does it have enough of cargo space with it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, absolutely. In the back, in the trunk, 470 liters.
Wow.
And in the front.
Oh, it has a front.
Yes, it has a frunk. More than 100
La
liters.
la, look
Look
at
at this.
this. Is this for me?
Yes, it's for you.
Ah, surprise. My new diaper bag. Oh.
Unbelievable.
Such an iconic brand. I love Mercedes. I mean, it's just a full package. Full package, full package, full package, A to Z. I just have this one last question. How is this even possible?
Well, it's Mercedes. So this C-Class is engineered entirely around you. It redefines the midsize segment. Why is that? First, it turns heads with its beautiful design. It offers outstanding craftsmanship, bringing this welcome home promise to life. And it sets the highest level of comfort and intelligence, as you just said. And that's also clear. It's an absolute thrill to drive.